Is making oil and maximizing profitability a goal for you and your company? You spend millions of dollars on drilling a well in order to get a return on your investment, or ROI. But the more wells you have, the more difficult it becomes to manage the dollar per barrel lift costs. If you had automated indication of problems and opportunities on all of your wells, and the ability to make ROI increasing decisions quickly without even having to leave the golf course, would that be of interest? In 3 to 6 months, your assets could be more efficient and generating incremental cash flow. But what changes are necessary to make this happen? ALP Praxis is a web-based business simulation game that lets you play at using the latest ways at squeezing value from your assets. You experience the benefit of automated well performance analysis, high-level dashboards, and exceptional reports. To understand asset performance and make great decisions quickly. Rather than managing well by well, you boost production, extend run life, and reduce downtime across the entire oil field, as key strategies are implemented to unlock value. Replaying the simulation over a number of months, ALP Praxis provides powerful insights into how technology can be used to maximize value from your assets and help build momentum around improvement initiatives.